here today to tell you about a program that we've started with some of the small businesses in our community. And not only is this great for them, but it's great for you because you can save a lot by supporting these particular small businesses in our community.
So we called it, we've got your back until you're back, which means the business owners that we've chosen to support are unable to work, unable to provide for their families, unable to provide for their households. So what we decided to do was do a match in kind. If you purchase a gift certificate from them, we will match in $50 extra onto your purchase. Now there is a max. We've had a couple of businesses just rock and roll it in a couple days who have maxed out their donation from us. So we're going to donate up to $1,000 for each business, but you get to participate because when you buy a gift certificate, we'll add money onto that gift certificate for you. So you get extra, they get supported.
Everybody wins.
So win, 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 win.
Win.
So what we're gonna do is list the businesses down below or in the text part, so you'll see exactly who we're supporting and how you can help support until they're back.
Yes, I'm super excited about this program, and you're gonna love who we've selected. So check it out and help support small businesses. Thanks so much.